Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Udoh, and every week I share content on how to help you master your personal finance and also grow your wealth. So today's topic is a very sensitive one, and it's on how to escape poverty. Now, poverty has always been with us since the beginning of times, and most societies have tried so hard to eradicate poverty. Unfortunately, we still have poverty because it's part of human nature. Most people, due to no fault of their own, are stuck in situations where they experience abject poverty. For instance, certain continents, like Africa, there's still areas in Africa, in South America, that people are really struggling and really suffering, just due to lack of opportunities and due to governments and systems in place. So I'm just trying to offer solutions to what's actually going on, because if we have so much poverty in society, then it affects everyone. I don't care if you're aspiring to be a multimillionaire or you're aspiring to be wealthy or whatever, but I think poverty should be something that we find a way to minimize. I know we're not going to be able to eradicate, so this is my take on certain strategies that I believe can maybe be a solution to try to get some or lift people out of poverty. So the first thing I have is education. Education for most people, the right education for most people is the key to getting out of poverty. So for instance, if you have someone who's like in a village somewhere in Africa or South America, but they're very smart, they're very intelligent, they have a high IQ, without education, there is no other way for them to get out of poverty. So education is very important in certain situations like that. So for instance, if you have an individual who's very brilliant and probably wants to become a surgeon, a doctor, a lawyer, or whatever, having the right access to education could be the ticket to get them out of poverty. So in society, we have to make sure that people get the right education. Okay, people in disadvantaged areas get the right education. Even in the United States, you have sections of the United States where people can't read, people can't write, and you would think in a country like the United States, everybody should be able to read and write. Unfortunately, this is not the case, and a lot of people live in abject poverty, okay, due to socioeconomic situations. So I believe education is one of the key factors that can raise people out of poverty. All right. Number two, once you get the education, then you want to work on a skill. So you want to work on your skill, you want to master your skill, you want to master your craft. That way you become valuable. When you increase your value in society, then you get compensated, because the marketplace pays you according to what value you present. So if you get the education and you apply yourself and then you master a skill, then you become valuable to society, and as a result of that, you get compensated. So education and mastering a skill could be a ticket to get some people out of poverty. The next thing you want to look at is your mindset. I believe we should have used the mindset first, but I still feel you need education, and then you need to master a skill, and then the next thing will be your mindset. So it all starts up here. Everyone has an opportunity to become whoever they want to be. Unfortunately, there are certain circumstances for some people, like I said, like in some third world countries, or even in developed countries, where certain demographics and situations puts you down. However, it all stems from your mindset. You have to have the right mindset. You have to have the right mindset that you want to succeed in life. Okay, so having the right mindset will put you above other people. A lot of people suffer from depression, they suffer from anxiety and all that. It all stems from your mindset. Okay, your mind is the most powerful possession that you have, and once you learn to control your mind, then the sky is the limit for you. All right, so you need to work on your mindset. and you have to have the correct and the right mindset. The next thing is you want to increase your sphere of influence. So you have to increase your network. The more people you know, the more connections you have, the more your income will go up. So you have to connect with the right people, all right? If it means getting a mentor, in my case, I have some mentors that I look up to and also communicate with that are helping me with my journey to where I want to be. Okay, so you want to make sure that you increase your network of people and resources so that way you can get yourself to the next level. And finally, you want to invest your money. In society today, we all look for instant gratification. We all look to impress people. So once you've gotten yourself out of poverty, make sure you don't get yourself back into poverty by being a consumer. So you want to be an investor. So you want to invest your money in real estate, in the stock market, in precious metals, commodities. You want to make sure that you put your money to work for you. And that way, you're building generational wealth for you and for your family. So this is just my take on certain things that we can do in society to get people out of poverty. So if you like these videos, if you like my videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so YouTube will notify you on my latest videos. Okay, so thank you very much for being here. Share this video with people. This is just my take on what we can do to help raise people out of poverty. So thank you very much, and don't forget to check the next video coming up on the screen now. It contains information you will love. Take care. Bye bye.